How to create Canva picture to watercolor. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and select a custom size over here. After that, tap on the elements option, and as you tap on elements, you can select for any of the pictures. Here I'm going to select on the dog and select the picture. Now as you tap on the picture, you can just tap on the three dotted lines and make an edit over here, or you can simply, what you can do is tap on the adjust option, or rather go to the effect option at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on effects, you can see there's no option. There are only 5 options from shadows, duotone, blur, autofocus and face retouch. There is no option of painting effect over here. So you can just make the necessary or the given effects only, but you cannot use the pent effects. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go back and tap on Play Store and make sure that we have the latest version of Canva application. So let's search for it. As you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So this means that this option of the painting effect is not available in our device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.